Díomh fáistí agus fáilte chuig de ceacht Gaeilge inniu, tásúla gom go mbeidh siad go maith. Tá sé an tríú lá de bhí feabhra inniu, third. Tá muid ag déanamh leathanach gom le leathanach 127 inniu, agus anam an scéal inniu ná an cluiche imáníochta, the hurling match. So tá muid chun an scéal seo a léamh, na ceisna seo a ragart, agus píosa beag obair le déanamh ar an mríthair rug. So a little bit of verb work on the verb rug tar éis an scéal. So bosc a hain, bhí scoil aine ag immert cluichí imáníochta i gcóine scoilmhuire. Bhí, so tá muid ag tá an scéal go hiomlán san aimsir caite. The whole story is in the past tense. So bhí, it's not tá, it's not beg either, it's not I will. Bhí scoil aine. Scoil aine is the school that the characters we meet most often are in. So like Ciara, Niamh, Rory, Oisín, Samar. So bhí scoil aine ag immert cluichí imáníochta, they're playing a hurling match, or were, i gcóine against scoilmhuire. So this is the opposition team, scoilmhuire. Bosca dó, chéad an réiteoir an adóg agus chas sí an sliotar isteach. Chéad, to blow. Like, so the wind can blow as well, but in this case she's blowing, the referee an réiteoir is blowing on adóg, the whistle. Agus chas sí an sliotar isteach, and she threw the sliotar in. Bosca 3. Rug Niamh ar an sliotar agus bhuail sí an sliotar isteach sa chearnóg. So Niamh, this verb here, rug, she grabbed the sliotar, Niamh did, and bhuail, she hit an sliotar isteach into the cearnóg, which is the Irish word for square. Cearnóg. You've got a circle, cearnóg, square, trintán, triangle, and drunalóg, a rectangle. Bosca a car, léim Rory san air agus rug sé ar an sliotar lena lámh chlé. So léim, he jumped, Rory did, san air, into the air, agus rug sé ar an sliotar. He grabbed the sliotar lena lámh chlé. Agus féics ar an bictúr. Níl an lámh yes atá a gceist, ná tá an lá clé a gceist, left hand. Lámh yes, lámh clé. Bosca a cuaig. Haring imróir ó scoilmhuire geansaí Rory nuair bhí sé ag rith leis an sliotar ar a chomáin aige. Haring, to pull. An imróir, a player. So ag immert, playing. So an imróir is a player. Oh, from scoilmhuire. So the opposition team. A player from the opposition team pulled geansaí Rory, Rory's jumper, nuair bhí sé ag rith leis an sliotar ar a chomáin aige, while he was running with the sliotar on his hurley. Bosca sé, chéad an réiteoir an adóg. So frás a céine, chéad an réiteoir an adóg anseo. Chéad an réiteoir an adóg. The referee blew the whistle. Hug, to give. Hug an réiteoir cárta buí den imróir ó scoilmhuire. So she gave, the referee gave a yellow card, cárta buí, take her an bictúr, ní cearta dearg atá a gceist an seo, cárta buí atá a gceist, don imróir ó scoilmhuire, to this player from the scoilmhuire team. Fuair scoil aine puck sair. Fuair, to get. So scoil aine got a puck sair, a free. That's the word free, sair. And the girl's name Saoirse comes from that freedom. And they got a free. Bosca a seacht ceapam, yeah. Chur Roisin an sliotar haar an trasnan agus fuair sí cúlín. So she put chur Roisin an sliotar, the sliotar haar, over on trasnan. Trasna means across, so this is a crossbar, trasnan. Agus fuair she got cúlín, a point. As Gaeilge, cool is a goal, cúlín is a point. And in Irish, I've told you before in class, I don't know if you remember that, if I thought the N is at the end of a word, it often means like little, whatever you're talking about. So blaheen, little flower, Roisin, little rose, Bohreen, little road. So here we have cúlín, like a little goal, which is the Irish word for a point. An sin, then, chur imróir ó scoilmhuire an sliotar isteach sa líon agus fuair sí cúl. So then, a player imróir ó scoilmhuire from scoilmhuire put the sliotar into isteach sa líon into the net agus and fuair she cool. She got a goal. In a dhé sin, after this, fuair Rory cool. Rory got a goal. Bhí scetamíní áthais ar na páistí, so they had like excited happiness, that kind of real excitement and real excitement. Ar na páistí mór bhuaig, they won siad an cluiche. Bhuaig siad, they won the match. So seo é an scéal an cluiche imónaíochta. Fragan na ceisna, iver hain, cé a bhí ag immert I gcóine scoil aine. So bhí who was playing, K was playing against scoil aine. So cai tú rá bhí scoilmhuire ag immert I gcóine scoil aine. Iver dó cé a cha an sliotar isteach. Cha an duine seo an sliotar isteach. So cé hé seo. Iver 3, cé a bhuail an sliotar isteach sa cearnóg. So who, again, K, it's all who. Who hit the sliotar isteach sa cearnóg into the square? Bhuail an duine seo. Iver a car, rug Rory ar an sliotar san air. So bosca seo. Did Rory grab the ball san air? Iver cuaig, céin fá a bhuair scoil aine puck sair. So why did they get the free? Céin fá, why? Céin fá. Iver sé, another person, K, who, K a fuair Coolín the scoil aine. Who got the point? The Coolín. Fuair an Colleen seo an Coolín the scoil aine. Iver seacht, an bhuair imróir ó scoilmhuire cool. So an bhuair, did the player from scoilmhuire get a goal? Tá freagar an seo. Iver hocht, K, again it's who, K a bhuaig an cluiche. Who won the cluiche? Hep scoilmhuire an cluiche. They lost it. Hep she they. Agus bhuaig scoil aine an cluiche nacha. So taréis sé sin, so freagan na ceisna seo. Ban trí leis an scéal. Do read the story yourself, just to practice your fluency, and send a video or even a sound bite of yourself reading if you want to. I would really enjoy hearing it. And then at the bottom, we're looking at the verb rug. So a little bit like the verb, and I'm trying to think, te that we did in the last couple of pages, like to go, chuig me, tain, and then it changes to rocky in the future. Okay, it's one of the 11 irregular, not following a pattern verbs in Irish. Rug is another one of those. So the root of this verb is B-E-I-R, kind of the start of the spelling here, B-E-I-R, bear. And it means like, so if I want to say, grab something there, like bear the coat the shot, like grab your coat there. So that's the order form when you use the root, bear. In the past, it changes to rug. Present tense, it's bearan, B-E-I-R-E-A-N-N. And then in the future, it's bearfi, but spelling changes, B-E-fada A-R F-A-I-D-H. So it is really strange because here you can see the only vowel in it, the only gutta in it is Latin, is wide. So you'd be putting like A-M-A-R at the ending here. It changes in the Gach law, in the Aimse Loirach, so that the last, it's B-E-I. These are all quail vowels. So look at the quail ending, E-A-N-N. So it goes from being Latin to quail back to Latin. Because look at this, A is the last vowel here, and then it's A-I-D-H. So it is beag nach ashtach. It's a little bit strange, but just caitu é sin aulam the glam viera. You just kind of have to learn it off by heart. So rug in the past, I grabbed rug Rory Aaron Schlitter and Nye. So Rory grabbed the Schlitter yesterday. Baron Rory Aaron Schlitter Glock. He grabs the Schlitter every day. Berfi Rory Aaron Schlitter Amork. Rory will grab the Schlitter Amork. So like the verb ka in Irish, the way you can throw a ball, it can also be used to say I spent my money, or we spent time. Rug can also be used in a different way. So it is grabbing, like to grab anything, but it's also the verb to be born. So you can say rug me in Malya Clia. I was born in Dublin. Rug me Gunde an Lou. I was born in Louth. Rug me Sinirvi. I was born in Westmeath. Whatever it is. So it's mainly used for this, rug grabbing, but it's also the verb for to be born. Just to let you know. So caithfidh tú an bríthar ceart chur sa náit ceart an seo. So it's caught, Kate, an líróid inné. So she grabbed the ball yesterday. So céin bríthar an seo tá san aimsir chatte. Caught an líróid gach lá. So gach lá every day. Which version are you going to use of rug, or bear is the root of the verb. Which version are you going to use? And then caught an líróid amórach, the future. I'm sure áisnach. Céin bríthar seo. So it's just one you have to learn off by heart. It goes R-U-G, san aimsir chatte, B-E-I-R-E-A-N-N, san aimsir loirach, agus B-E fada A-R, F-A-I-D-H, san aimsir áisnach. You don't have to change the spellings strangely or anything for, the we form of it or the may. It's just the exact spellings you see here you'll be using right here, just depending on whether it's past, present or future. Sin é a fáistí tásúla gom nach meg an piece of shot row confusing, but that word has gone out of my head right now. I hope it's not too confusing, that verb bit. I know some of you have verb charts from Mr. Melrose, so you can use that obviously if it helps. And sin é gachrod le haid an géitín. Ban na bosta lá.